stop, but I'm videotaping. Oh, there he goes. See, no! No! Don't eat that, Nicholas. No, no. Good Lord. Yeah. Nick, no. No. Can't eat those. He freaking tore apart a coaster and is trying to eat the coaster. Are you ready for bed, Nick? Do you love Daddy more than Mommy? No. Do you want to stay here and not go visit Grandma? No. You sure you did it? Nicholas, I love you. Hey.